There is Richardson.
And off the track. New sprint sensation from
I'm
Dallas,
so
Texas.
stressed by this
Missed the
whole
Olympic
situation.
Games.
I am so stressed out.
Dean Rasher-Smith, the reigning world
Guys, I'm
champion.
so sorry for the tree cutting in the background, but guys, just listen keenly, please.
Rani Rosius from Belgium goes in lane 2, the Belgian number 1 at 100 metres. And on the inside, Lily Carden from Germany, the newly crowned European under-23 100-metre champion. But this, you feel, will be Asher Smith against Richardson.
This is
against
going to be
Mboma.
crazy.
Mboma, the fastest on the field on paper, 21.81. Richardson, just 1 metre 55 tall, 5 feet tall.
She's 5
Goes in lane
feet.
4.
She's not tall.
So Carden, Germany.
Oh my
1,
God.
Rosius from Belgium in 2.
Let's have a
Asher
heart
Smith, the British world champion, goes in 3. Richardson 4. Mboma, the Olympic silver medalist from Namibia, one of 2 18-year-old Namibians in this race in 5. Then it's Jackson, Maselingi, and Favet.
Come on, Shericka.
Women's 200 metres.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Dean Rasher-Smith has a very good start. Look out for Mboma coming late in the race. All that power coming in the last
Come on,
50 meters.
Jackson! Come
Has
on!
got her in her sights. Richardson under pressure from Dean Rasher-Smith. And Mboma coming through the
I can't manage!
as well. Now then, Mboma coming late.
Come on, Jackson! Ah! I knew it! I knew it! Oh my
Just as she did in Tokyo
God!
a few weeks ago.
Good job, Mboma! I knew it! I knew it!
Power over 400 meters.
Good job!
Once again improved.
I knew it!
Second in Tokyo in the Olympic Games.
Wow!
Coming through in a world-class field
I
here.
knew it! I
Ahead of
knew it!
Johnson.
I knew it!
Bronze medalist over 100 meters.
I knew it!
Remember, the world champion over 200 meters. Once again, as she did in Paris, settling for 3rd place.
Good job,
Brilliant
Nina.
start. Certainly led over the first 50 meters or so.
Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl.
Shericka
Yes.
Jackson.